25 exam-style MCQs on artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data analytics AI versus ML, supervised learning, statistics, data cleaning, pandas, and visualization. This is the foundation set for the NSCT AI and data analytics competency, lecturer exams, and data job interviews. Keep score and comment it at the end. Question 1. Deep learning is a subset of which field? Think about the nested circles. Is it A, data entry? B, machine learning? C, statistics only? Or D, databases? The answer is B. Deep learning is a type of machine learning, which itself sits inside artificial intelligence. Question 2. In machine learning, instead of writing the rules yourself, what do you give the computer? Is it A, more rules? B, examples, meaning data? C, a flowchart? Or D, the final answer? The answer is B. You feed the computer examples, and it learns the rules on its own. That's what makes it machine learning. Question 3. You've got customer data with no labels, and you want to discover natural groups inside it. Which kind of learning is that? Is it A, supervised? B, unsupervised? C, reinforcement? Or D, labeled regression? The answer is B, unsupervised. With no labels and the goal of finding groups, you're clustering, which is unsupervised learning. Question 4. In reinforcement learning, what does the agent learn from? Is it A, labeled datasets? B, rewards and penalties? C, clustering? Or D, random guessing only? The answer is B. The agent learns from rewards and penalties, gradually favoring actions that earn more reward. Question 5. Which field focuses mainly on explaining what already happened, using dashboards and reports? Is it A, data analytics? B, deep learning? C, reinforcement learning? Or D, robotics? The answer is A, data analytics. It focuses on explaining what already happened. Data science predicts, and AI acts. Quick score check. How many have you gotten right so far? Comment your score right now, then let's keep going. Question 6. You're predicting a house's price from its size and location. What role does price play? Is it A, a feature? B, the label or target? C, an outlier? Or D, a hyperparameter? The answer is B. Price is the value you predict, so it's the label. Size and location are the features. Question 7. Why do we hold back a separate test set that the model never sees during training? Is it A, to train faster? B, to check performance on unseen data? C, to back up the data? Or D, to remove features? The answer is B. The test set measures how well the model handles new, unseen data, its ability to generalize. Question 8. In the machine learning workflow, which step comes right before training the model? Is it A, deploy it? B, prepare and split the data? C, monitor it? Or D, publish results? The answer is B. You collect, clean, and split the data before training. You can't train well on messy, unsplit data. Question 9. What is the main goal of data analytics? Is it A, build robots? B, turn data into insights for decisions? C, encrypt files? Or D, delete duplicates? The answer is B. Analytics turns raw data into insights that drive better decisions. Question 10. A folder full of photos and voice notes is which kind of data? Is it A, structured? B, unstructured? C, tabular? Or D, relational? The answer is B, unstructured. Photos and audio have no rows and columns, so they're unstructured data. You're doing great. Drop your score so far in the comments, the tougher questions are coming up. Question 11. What will happen next quarter is which type of analytics? Is it A, descriptive? B, diagnostic? C, predictive? Or D, prescriptive? The answer is C, predictive. Forecasting what will happen next is predictive analytics, usually powered by machine learning. Question 12. The saying garbage in, garbage out warns you about what? Is it A, models need more RAM? B, bad input data gives bad results? C, delete all data? Or D, cleaning is optional? The answer is B. If you feed a model bad data, you get bad predictions out. That's why cleaning comes first. Question 13. Replacing missing values with the column's average is called what? Is it A, dropping? B, imputation? C, encoding? Or D, scaling? The answer is B, imputation. Filling missing values, often with the mean or median, is called imputation. Question 14. Why should you scale your features before running a KNN model? Is it A, save memory? B, so large range features don't dominate distances? C, add more data? Or D, remove the labels? The answer is B. Scaling puts features on equal footing so a large range feature doesn't dominate the distance calculation. Question 15. Creating a BMI feature from height and weight is an example of what? Is it A, feature engineering? B, data leakage? C, overfitting? Or D, clustering? The answer is A. Building a new feature like BMI from existing columns is feature engineering. Keep going. Questions in the actual test look exactly like these. Comment your score so far. Question 16. One hot encoding turns a color column with red, green, and blue into what? Is it A, one integer column? B, separate 0-1 columns per color? C, a date column? Or D, a cluster label? The answer is B. One hot encoding creates a separate 0 or 1 column for each category. Question 17. Which average is least affected by extreme outliers? Is it A, mean? B, median? C, sum? Or D, range? The answer is B, median. Because it's just the middle value, extreme outliers barely move it, unlike the mean. Question 18. What does standard deviation measure? Is it A, the average value? B, how spread out the data is? C, the most frequent value? Or D, the total count? The answer is B. A standard deviation measures how spread out the data is around the mean. Question 19. Ice cream sales and drownings both rise in summer. What does that actually show? Is it A, ice cream causes drowning? B, correlation, not causation? C, drowning causes ice cream sales? Or D, no relationship? The answer is B. They correlate because summer heat drives both. There's no causation between them. Question 20. On a fair six-sided die, what's the probability of rolling a 3? Is it A, 1/2? B. 1/3? C. 1/6? Or D. 3? The answer is C. One favorable face out of 6 equally likely faces is 1/6. Quick score check. How many have you gotten right so far? Comment your score right now, then let's keep going. Question 21. In a normal distribution, roughly what percent of data falls within one standard deviation of the mean? Is it A. 50%? B. 68%? C. 95%? Or D. 100%? The answer is B, about 68%. That's the first step of the 68-95-99.7 rule. Question 22. A data point far outside the typical range is called in what? Is it A. Average? B. Outlier? C. Feature? Or D. Label? The answer is B. Outlier. It's a value that sits far away from the rest of the data. Question 23. A small p-value, say 0.01, suggests what? Is it A. Likely chance? B. Strong evidence against the null hypothesis? C. Missing data? Or D. Nothing? The answer is B. A small p-value means your result would be unlikely by chance, so it's evidence against the null hypothesis. Question 24. In Python, which library gives you the data frame? Is it A. NumPy? B. Pandas? C. Matplotlib? Or D. Flask? The answer is B. Pandas. The data frame is the star of the Pandas library. NumPy gives you the array underneath it. Question 25. Which chart best shows a trend over time? Is it A. Pie chart? B. Line chart? C. Histogram? Or D. Heat map? The answer is B. Line chart. Lines are built to show how a value changes over time. That's all 25 questions. Comment your final score below, I read every comment. Subscribe for more MCQ marathons and daily practice shorts. See you in the next one.